Right, I'm going to do my best on a tutorial on how to remove the Vito door card. It's a little bit dark in the workshop at the moment due to it being like 7 o'clock in the morning. So tools needed, I'm just using my bits again because it just makes life easy. You can swap out and change. You're going to need a Torx 20 and Torx 30, flat blade screwdriver again, or a trim tool. You're going to need a pick this time, and obviously a screwdriver to put your tips in and undo your screws with. So first off, there is a little cover, little round cover just here. Sorry, it's a little bit dark, you can't quite see, but you just need to poke that out, which will reveal a Torx 20. Now I would put my light on this, but it flickers on the camera, which is very annoying. You also need to remove this bit of trim that runs along here, which is quite easy. Just come to where you're not going to notice, pop your screwdriver under, there we go, and then just give it a gentle little pull. That will reveal some screws in these holes here. This one here has got Torx 20, Torx 30, Torx 30. And then underneath, which I think someone's had this door card before because it's missing some clips. 1 second. Under here, there should be a clip here, a clip there, but as you can see, that one's missing and that one's missing. So we're just going to remove the one. I will replace the other two with some clips out of my box I've got. Right, for the Torx 20 stuff, I've still got my screwdriver out from doing the door handle tutorial, so we'll just use this Torx 20 screwdriver. That's that one removed. And we'll do the door handle on here. And then the two Torx 30s in the middle. There's one. There's two. Right, now what I normally do is place my trim tool. So we'll put the trim tool under here. There we go, that's that popped off. Give it a little pull. So right, once you've popped the bottom corner off, just pull it towards you and it will pull the rest of the door card off. There you go. Then at this point, when it's all loose and it's only hanging on by the top, you lift the door card upwards so it unhooks from the top of the lip on the door. You will need to remove this cable here, which is for your inside door handle. And then there's a plug. There's a little blue plug down here. You just want to pop that in, remove, and there you are. There's your door card removed off your Vito van. Obviously when you go to put it back on, you want to drop the door card at the top first and just bash it in around the edges and all the tips will pop back in the holes. Thanks for watching, take care.